What's up, guys? First item we're trying is the paprika potato snack spicy ramen flavor.
We're gonna be trying some vanilla wafer rolls made from China.
We have the Kimberly marshmallow sandwich ginger cookies.
And our last item is a milk chocolate strawberry chocolate bar from Holy.
Let's go.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do it. Texture's nice. Flavor is really good actually. We're taking another bite.
Boomer or doom?
That up.
Boom! Let's go. I like that marshmallow inside. 5 out of 10.
Oh, good.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is our order from how we liked them from best to worst.